Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can easily disable the grid on your ELGATO Facecam MK.2. So what we need to do first is open up the Camera Hub application on our PC. So basically the app is for ELGATO cameras. So first what we need to do is check out the input. If it says ELGATO Facecam MK.2 here, then we're good. And now we need to go to this little bar here where we have the preview format, the photo, the snapshot folder, the preview, and here in the down right corner we have the grid. So now after we click it, it will turn black, and now here there will be no grid because it's disabled. So that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.